Now, quantitative aptitude 1, fourth topic, LCM and HCF we are discussing. In the previous videos, we discussed about how can you calculate the LCM in shortcut, how can you calculate the HCF in shortcut. So before going to see this video, first you have to go through that videos and learn how can you find LCM and HCF in shortcuts. To save the time in your examination, shortcuts are very important. Now in this video, I will discuss with you LCM and HCF for the fractions. Suppose the values are in fraction. Suppose the values are in decimal. How can you calculate the LCM and the HCF? It is very simple. Keynotes are there here. What are the keynote? LCM of fractions. Keynote is there. What is the LCM of fractions here? LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. Now HCF of fractions equal to what is the keynote? HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. You can remember very easily. See here LCM. To calculate the LCM for the fraction, numerator is LCM. LCM of numerators. Now here HCF means for the numerator you have to calculate HCF. You can remember very easily. If the numerator is LCM, denominator is HCF. If the numerator is HCF, denominator is LCM. So LCM of fractions is LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. Now HCF of fractions is HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. You can remember very easily. I will give an example to understood very easily. Okay, see here. What is the example of that one? Okay, now see here. To understood, I will give you a simple example. LCM of, let it be 3 by 5, 6 by 25, 9 by 125 it is. So what is the LCM of this values it is? What is our keynote? LCM of numerators. What are the numerators here? 3, 6, 9. For these values, you have to calculate the LCM. What is the LCM of 3, 6, 9? According to our shortcuts, LCM shortcut. So multiple of 9 you have to take. 9 is divisible by 3, divisible by, not divisible by 6. So take the multiple of 9. Multiple of 9 that must be divisible by 6 also. 18. 18. 18 is divisible by 3, divisible by 6, divisible by 9. That is the LCM shortcut. So see that video. Okay. How can you calculate the LCM for the given values in shortcut it is? Now LCM of 3, 6, 9 is 18. Divided by what you do? HCF of denominator. What is the HCF of this? What is the HCF shortcut? HCF of 5, 25, 125. Select one number that divides all the numbers. Okay. What is the shortcut? Select one number that divides all the numbers. Now here 5. 5 divides all the numbers. Okay, 5 is divisible by 5, 25 is divisible by 5, 125 is divisible by 5 it is. Now what is our answer now? 18 by 5 is the answer it is. So LCM of 3 by 5, 6 by 25, 9 by 125 is what now? 18 by 5. What is the keynote? LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. Now for the same values now, I will take for the same values HCF. How can you calculate the HCF for the same value? Suppose see here. HCF of 3 by 5, 6 by 25, 9 by 125 it is. See here, how can we calculate? Now here HCF, HCF means for the numerators you have to calculate the HCF. HCF of 3, 6, 9. What is the shortcut of HCF? Select one number that divides all the numbers. That shortcuts you have to put in your mind. That keynotes you have to put in your mind by practicing. Select one number that divides all the numbers. Now all the numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, 6, 3, 6, 9, all are divisible by 3. So HCF of 3, 6, 9 is 3 divided by LCM of 5, 25, 125. What is the LCM of 5, 25, 125? What is the shortcut? Multiple shortcut, larger number. If the larger number is exactly divisible by the remaining numbers, we say that larger number itself is the LCM. That is the LCM shortcut. According to that, what is the LCM? 125. So what is our answer now? 3 by 125 is the HCF of 3 by 5, 6 by 25, 9 by 125. So more examples are there for the practice in this book. It is quantitative aptitude 1. So by using this logic, you have to practice more examples. Then only you can get the command. So these are the fraction. Now similarly, for the decimal values also you have to do the same thing. For the decimal, I will give an example how to calculate the LCM and HCF for the decimals. Decimals convert into fraction, then fractions to. So by applying this logic, you can calculate the LCM and HCF. Suppose see here one example. LCM of 0.4, 0.08, 0.016 it is. Now the values are in decimal now. If the values are in decimal, how can you calculate the LCM? Okay, there are different strategies. First, convert the decimal into fraction. How can you convert the decimal into fraction? 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10. After decimal, one digit, we take 10 in the denominator. 0.4 can be written as, after decimal, one digit, take 10 in the denominator, 4 by 10. Now 0.08 can be written as now 8 by 100. After decimal, here 2 digits are there. So you take 2 zeros in the denominator, 100. Now here after decimal 3 digits are there. Okay. So 3 zeros in the denominator. Understood? Decimal converting a fraction. That is the first step. Now always put the fraction in simplified form only. Now simplified form. Put in simplified form. 2 2s, 2 5s it is. Now again 4 2s, 4 25s. Now again 8 2s, 8 125 is 1000. Always you put the fraction in simplified form. After simplified form only, you have to calculate the LCM of fractions and HCF of fractions. Very important point. After simplification of fractions only, you have to apply the LCM of fractions and HCF of fractions. Now these are the simplified forms: 2 by 5, 2 by 25, 2 by 125. Now calculate the LCM of fractions. Now what you do LCM of fractions? LCM of numerators. What are the numerators here? 2, 2, 2. So LCM of 2, 2, 2 is 2. Same numbers. Already we learnt in the shortcut, LCM shortcut. Okay, same values. LCM is same. So LCM of 2, 2, 2 is 2. Divided by. What is the HCF now? What is the HCF of 5, 25, 125? What is the shortcut of HCF? Select one number that divides all the numbers. So all the numbers are divisible by 5. 5, 25, 125, all the numbers are divisible by 5. So 2 by 5. So what is our answer now? 2 by 5. Or it can also be written as 0.4 it is. Suppose the answer is in decimal, you have to write in decimal 0.4. Or it is in fraction, put in fraction 2 by 5. Understood what you do? First convert the decimal into fraction. And fraction be put in simplified form. Then apply the LCM of fraction, HCF of fraction shortcut formula. LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. HCF of fractions is HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. Okay, so get the answer. For more examples, take this book and practice it. Thank you to all of you.